Firstly, I'd like to thank the uni team because I was invited to go to Bulacan. Okay, I received an invitation, but it was on such short notice, and you know I have so many problems as the Amati Ciudad that I begged off from going. But despite the fact that I did not go, I wish the uni team, I wish my beloved cousin Sin and his running mate, so Bongbong Marcos and his running mate Sara Duterte, all the best. Okay, it was an excellent show at the Iglesia ni Cristo facility in Bulacan, and my cousin Sin is leading in all the surveys. So I hope that he can continue leading the surveys, okay? And I wish him and the uni team all the best.